Mathaa manini thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta gwatha atungati arwaru macoke wira gugikinya wa gatano rucini, mwandiki mukaru wa kiama gia atungati arwaru Seth Panyako oritie amemba a kiama giki guikara meyumitie o nginya mabata mao mahingio.
We want to urge our members to remain firm, fight for their rights, because the Constitution of the people of Kenya under Article 41 provides that every worker has the right to go on strike.
Panyako augite ihinda-ini riri kaunti 12 hamwe na thibitari imwe ya thirikari no irathie na mbere na mugomo na kwambiriria kiumia giukite kaunti ingi ni cikuingira mugomo-ini. Imwe ciacio ari Murang'a, Tana River, Nakuru, Siaya, Kakamega, Narok, Makueni, Bomet na Busia.
Nurses have experienced several injustices from 1997, if I may recall, and we are still agitating for the same issues that have not been addressed.
Riu kiama giki kiugite hari muthigani uramamenereria kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta. Panyako akiuga ti kurega mararega gwathikira mukana wa President no indi no nginya atungati arwaru no nginya mambe maiguanire na amandiki kurugamia mugomo niguo arugamiriri a kiama giki moe ikinya.
We issued a strike notices to each of the county public service board, which are employee of the nurses. What mistake have we done? Why are we not directed by the COG? 2, SRC has told us, you cannot meet us. Go and deal with the employer. Now, when we start dealing with the employer and the employer is saying, yes, I'm willing to pay, one is saying, I'm paying today, another one, I'll pay tomorrow, then somebody somewhere wants to politicize this issue and set this union against the president. We will not respond to the president. With the due respect, we respect our president.
Hamwe na kuongererwo mishara, atungati arwaru marenda kuongererwo njoherera cia uniformu iria mekiraga wira-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.